Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's not even been a minute. It's been a while. Let me tell you, a lot of fun things are happening and it's been surreal. In all honesty, I actually been really living life in my own way. I've been exploring to doing more career stuff, not just influencer stuff, although I love it. And I just wanted to expand into more knowledge and more education. So I've been just a little thin and I needed a little break. And then when I took the break, I realized summer's coming so quickly and it's here. So what else to do but to do a swimwear haul? And thank you, Adore Me, for sending me all these products. Actually, credit, but got to choose a lot of cute swimwear I'm excited to share with you today. You might have noticed the little set is more white. I do love whites, but I actually moved to a new apartment and my apartment's still only half set up. So I'm actually recording in a very awkward angle right now. So FYI. Ta-da! I know it looks a little messy, but don't judge me. Actually, I have so many goodies. I think I'm a little crazy because it's not like I don't have swimwear. I still have really amazing, cute ones from Adore Me last year. And Adore Me's quality is so good, so I don't need to worry about this every year. But still, you can never have enough swimwear. I don't know. Just like shoes. If you guys don't know what Adore Me is an amazing and sweet company that has lingerie, swimwear, loungewears. They also have activewears now. If you want to get like a swimwear set or like a lingerie set, your first purchase is $24.95. It's so amazing. And even after that, you could do a monthly subscription of VIP. You could do a monthly VIP subscription. It depends on which set you get. But I believe it's $39.95. We all need like new products each month, and I think it's just a good way to kind of give yourself a present. You already have been following me for a while. You already know how much I love Adore Me, and it's so phenomenal because they don't stop loving their customers and also their influencers. Each month they have new ones, right? They have new lingerie, they have new swimwear for the summers. And it's not one choice, you have like multiple choices. So if you feel either self-conscious about your body or if you feel like it doesn't fit your body frame, there's multiple options. And I also noticed that some of the designs are not the same for the regular sizes and the plus sizes. And I think they're really thinking about how it looks on a person, so they don't just try to copy and paste everything. And I think that's the phenomenal thing about brands, right? When they really think about how it would look on a certain body type. And so far I've been actually loving everything. So just to clarify, I'm a size about 6 to 8, so I'm not even a straight model size, and I'm not a plus size. So being a mid-size person, you also have to play a little guessing game because it could be really cute on a model and might not be as cute on me, just because we're different sizes. And also, I don't look like a plus size model either. They have fuller curves and I don't have that full curves either. So there's a little hit or miss. But a lot of e-commerce companies I either been sponsored by or that I genuinely buy Adore Me usually don't have kickbacks for me. One thing is the sizing is so easily, I don't know, I don't think it's adaptable. I think it's easily wearable. So, like few things, like if you're a few inches bigger which is usually my problem, I have a wide back. And even so, they always fit me well. Either that, and also the quality of the products are really good. It usually lasts me more than a year, which is rare for e-commerce companies these days. It's not like a fast fashion quality, but I think it's closer to fast fashion price. But they're also sustainable now, and they're making sure they care about the environment as well. So I love everything about Adore Me. Not to just talk about it. If you're actually an influencer, you would know this too. Being an influencer is not always easy to work with brands, but Adore Me actually has really amazing way of taking care of their influencers, and they give freedom to be creative, to create content, and I actually love that so much too. So just letting you know about Derby. I'll review my I guess swimsuits now. So first one off is this pretty sage green color. So I love this color, and I feel like my chests are a little wider and maybe smaller cups than typical models that wear these. So I was hesitant to order, but honestly, I feel like this is a very good look for anyone. I really love these. First, the color, the second, the quality. It's like, it looks basic, but not really. So it has a little twist back. It has like the string ties on the bikini bottom. I've been a little hooked on cheekies these days. I feel a little too much with thonkinis, but I think cheekies are super cute and still sexy. So this is definitely loving this color. I bet you with my little bit of tan, it will even look better. So I'm excited to be more tan and wear this more. Next, this was one of the first ones I picked out because it's just basic. I like swimwears that just kind of looks like sports bra and just a panty bottom. This one actually is super cute because it has a little scrunch in the butt area, so it gives you a little more curves. And also, it's still cheeky, it's still cute, and I like string bikinis because no matter what size your waist are or hips are, you could make it adjustable. It's easy to wear. It's really like that with the top as well. The top is lightly padded, it's not too heavy, and it's just your regular swimwear back. But I like this one because for someone like me who has wider shoulders, who wants a little cleavage that day, can tie the ribbons a little closer and give yourself a little more curves that day. Not so basic black bikini, and this is exactly what I wanted. This one does not have a tie bottom, but it's super nice because sometimes you just want a variation, and this one really fits me well. I did jumping tests. It does not slip up. It feels like you know how I always talk about leggings not rolling down. It's like I want similar feeling with bikinis because I tend to get very competitive on the beach with volleyball or like playing sports, and you don't want to slip up, you know? So that's really good. I'm like dying to try this on like waves, you know, riding the waves and see if it actually works for me. So I'm excited to try this. I like the top because like it's the little things, right? But like this little triangle in the corner, you see that? Like that makes it all like really cute, like really simple sports bra looking. And I just like this, like just simple look. Next. Okay, this one was a little fun. This was a little more adventurous for me because I'm usually a solid color person or like a simple pattern, but this is a tie-dye, right? It's a halter, the back, just the typical back, but there's an extra string which gives you a X cross. Usually I'm not fond of these because I feel like because my waistline doesn't make me look like I'm not cinched, so I feel like it makes me look wider. But this one I actually liked. I liked how push-up it was. Make my boobs look good. I had fun with these actually. Also, I didn't feel big in them. I felt really cute in them, so I was excited. This bottom excited me so much, but it has like a little loop of it, and I thought this was super cute. This one, I like them so much. I like the color, I like the look, but you know, it's a little out there than my usual because it has like, you know, peephole, boob peephole, and I like how well fitted it is. It doesn't slip. I'm usually like self-conscious about the lower belly line because I feel like there's like such a vivid line, and I was like hesitant to order these, but I ordered them just because if I don't like it, I could return it. So I really wanted to just try it. And I was actually really pleasantly surprised how much I like them. So you should give it a try. Anything that you feel like you're not sure about, you don't know until you try it. I tell people this all the time, but you really don't know until you try it. And this was like the case where I tried it because I thought it was super cute. And then look at how it turned out, right? So I'm seriously loving this. So yeah. Okay, last but not least, this one, the blue one. First of all, one pieces are more tricky, and I think these are called Monokinis. Like, it's like sexy one pieces, and I think they're so cute, so cute. And soon as I saw this on the website, I was like, oh, that is so pretty. That color is gonna look so cute on me, and it does. Except I'm a little self-conscious about, like I said earlier, like a little belly area, and I feel like if you have little like more curve, or like if you have bigger hips or like more curves on your waistline, I think it looks beautiful. But on me personally, I don't like it. I also have smaller hips, just butt and small hips, accentuated my flaws that I don't like about myself. So this is not mine that I really like, but I think it's such a great cute bathing suit. If you, try it. You don't know till you try it. And I actually thought I would really like this one, but I really don't like it on my body. And just to clarify, just because it doesn't look right on your body doesn't mean you can't wear it. You could wear whatever the heck you want. Don't care about people. Me personally don't like it on me. So that's why. But yeah, so I will be sending this one back. If you remember from last videos, I actually talked about this, but Adore Me has really easy exchanging program and refunding program. Well, I think exchange is like much easier. So a lot of things about e-commerce companies that it's really hard to return, right? But Adore Me's return policy is like as soon as you get the items and you click like return label, they give you exchange code, so you could return right away on their site without waiting for it to be returned fully. So that's what I did with this one. So I'm expecting to get another shipment of bikini. So I'm excited to see that one. So yeah, that's what I have for you today. I know that was a lot of bikinis, and I wanted to show you a variety of selections so you could choose one or two or three or six for yourself. So what did you think? Did you like my selections? Do you want to try any of them? Just in case, I'll leave the link in below. But if you like this video, thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for more trial on hauls. Bye!